Maybe.
Maybe?
Maybe a lot of maybes.
Start again.
There's two parts.
What's your question?
You get selected to go on a mission to an alien planet.
I'd rather not.
Your fate is sealed. You have no choice.
I always have a choice.
Fine. Go to the alien planet or die.
Do I get to meet aliens?
You have to go to the planet first.
How do I do that?
Two options. You can take the teleporter, which has a 100% chance of success,
Sounds reliable.
except that it destroys the original and makes a copy.
Oh, I don't like that. What kind of copy?
A living copy of your now dead body.
Why does it have to destroy the original?
Do you want there to be two of you? Let me rephrase. I don't want two of you. Also, you have to be disassembled to be properly scanned.
So I'm dead.
Yes, but your copy isn't. Or you take the spaceship, which only has a 50% chance of success, but takes about 5 years.
But how long does the teleportation take?
5 seconds.
It's way more convenient.
So, teleportation?
It destroys the original me.
So, ship.
It's kind of a risky move.
Well, you have to pick one.
I didn't want to go in the first place.
There's still a second half to this. Pick.
No teleportation.
Good job, you made it.
So, I made the right choice.
The ship would have made it as well.
Oh. Then why?
Hold on. After you make it to the planet, there's a flesh-eating virus that attacks you.
Why did I come here?
Luckily, scientists are there to replace all of your organic parts with robotic parts.
Oh, like RoboCop.
Sure.
I don't want to be like RoboCop.
Then why would you... never mind. The point of this section is that when the virus attacks your brain, it changes you.
Into what?
You know your favorite song? Well, the virus makes it so that you have one, but you can't remember what it is, or it's a different one, or you like different foods, hopefully a boost in your IQ.
So it makes me not me.
Which leads us to your other two options.
Leave?
Get a computer brain which keeps your personality intact, or
also leave.
risk the changes of the virus and do nothing.
I'm sensing a theme.
I'm sure you are.
I'm gonna risk it.
You're a walking contradiction.
I'm not. Am I? Maybe I am. I don't know. What do you think?
Are you serious? I just told you.
Told me what?
The virus was cured and everybody whose personality was changed gets changed back.
Like the factory settings?
Sure.
What about the computer brain people?
They keep their computer brains.
So I survived, and I got to keep my original brain.
Well, except it's a copy.
Oh, that's right.
You've also destroyed your identity twice.
What? When?
Once when the virus changed you, and then the second time when you reset back to factory settings.
Isn't that the same choice I made with teleportation?
Until you consider that your logic went from not preserving yourself to preserving your organic matter despite changing internally.
Isn't learning changing internally? So without accepting that fact, one could never hope to improve.
That is possibly the first good point you've ever made.
I have one.
I spoke too soon. Go ahead.
Say scientists definitively discovered an inner essence, a soul, if you will.
Oh, boo. I thought you might actually have something.
Would you please
How does this even connect?
let me get there? So the virus is mutated and it's killing you. And once again, you have two options. One, freeze your body.
You know that you can't actually freeze a body to preserve it, right?
For the sake of expediency, I'm going to say yes. So your body's preserved in some sort of sci-fi way, but the method that they use is known to kill your essence. And the other option, of course, is to die and let your essence continue on. But keep in mind, your essence doesn't carry with it the memories of your current life.
I'll go with preservation.
Really?
Your scenario is lose-lose. You either get some intangible part of you moving on to some idiot life form that will undoubtedly destroy what you're trying to preserve, or you get a little more time to take in the seemingly endless torment of existence that is you.
Oh, when you put it like that.
Speaking of you, I realize that you're wrong.
No, not again.
The point that you made earlier about changing and growing. If that were true, that would mean that you changed for the better.
Which I did.
But in that same hypothetically, you changed back to you. So that would mean that despite all of your change, you ended up back at the beginning.
Like a zero-sum game.
It's the only game we seem to play.